Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to remove watermark in Adobe Express. If you've been working on a project and noticed that watermark appearing on your final design, this tutorial will walk you through the steps to get rid of it and create a clean, professional-looking result. First, open your web browser and head over to new.express.adobe.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log into your Adobe Express account using your credentials. This will give you access to all your saved projects and the tools you need to manage your designs effectively. After logging in, you'll land on the Adobe Express dashboard. From here, navigate to the Recent Files section. This is where all your latest projects are stored for easy access. To see your full list of projects, click on View All. This expands your file library so you can locate the specific design you want to work with. Now, browse through your projects and select the one you want to remove the watermark from. Simply click on it to open the design. Once it's loaded, you'll likely notice that watermarks still present on your work. Here's the thing though, in order to remove that watermark, you'll need to upgrade your account. Adobe Express requires a premium subscription to unlock watermark-free exports, so let's walk through that process. Look towards the upper left corner of your screen where you'll see an option labeled Free Trial. Click on it to begin the upgrade process. This will take you to a page where you can choose your plan. Adobe Express typically offers different subscription options, so take a moment to review them and select the one that best fits your needs. Whether you're looking for a monthly plan or an annual commitment, pick the option that works for you. After selecting your plan, you'll be prompted to enter your payment information. Start by typing in your credit or debit card number. This is a standard requirement for starting any free trial, even though you won't be charged immediately. Next, enter your first and last name as they appear on your card. This ensures your payment method is properly verified and linked to your account. Once your card details are filled in, you'll need to select your preferred country or region from the drop-down menu. This helps Adobe Express tailor the service and billing to your location. After confirming all your information is correct, click on Start Free Trial. This finalizes the upgrade process and activates your premium account features. And there you have it. Your account is now upgraded, which means you can export your Adobe Express projects without any watermarks. Your designs will look polished and professional, ready to be shared or used for your business or personal projects. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.